This is how to make superior hand-cut fries by hand. Let's go. When you're working with produce, your first step is usually going to be to wash and scrub off any visible dirt, especially with russet potatoes. Then we're going to cut this potato into slices, about a ½ inch, a little less than a ½ inch probably. And with these slices, we're going to turn these into strips. We all know it's French fries. Once you've done that about 100,000 times, you're going to have a bunch of French fries. You're going to put them in a container and soak them maybe overnight or just for a few hours. Some people add brown sugar, some people add salt and stuff to the water. It's your preference. Once you've cut a whole bunch of potatoes and made your French fries, you're going to throw them in a fryer for about 2 minutes. I'm going to use this big boy over here. Make sure you make sure you drain all the water and get your fries as dry as possible before you add them to hot oil, because oil and water do not mix. Hear that? That's the water hitting the oil. 2 minutes. I'll be back in 2 minutes. That's 2 minutes. Very important step here is to let the oil drain through the fries for a little while. And we'll transfer them to their pan to lay flat and cool all the way. Yes, indeed. Okay, now that our fries are cut, soaked, drained, blanched, and cooled, now we'll cook an order. I actually have 3 orders of fries up right now, so here we go. 1, 2, and they look all limp. 3. But the finished products will be nothing like that. Here, I'll see you in a minute. Alright, and keep in mind, when you blanch your fries for 2 minutes, you're basically cooking the entire fry through. This finishes the fry and adds crisp. So now, you'll see that those limp, soggy fries I drew in there have been totally transformed to crispy, fresh goodness. Now you add your own seasoning, toss them, and you're done. Let's check out these burgers and fries.
Stop playing with me before I turn you to a song. Stop playing with me before I turn you to a song. Hey, bitch, I'm attractive.